everyone, welcome to our video. If you are new to our channel, I am Rizvana. In today's video, we are drawing decorative watercolor leaves. So let's get into the video. It is easier to paint leaves with wet brush. Load your brush with good amount of color. The consistency of the color should be not too thick, not too thin. That is the perfect consistency for the leaf painting. For drawing leaf, drag and lift towards the end fastly. If you want elongated leaf, drag and slowly lift towards the end. If you guys are interested in this kind of tutorials, then please comment below. As we are using metallic colors, it will give a glittery effect to our painting and gives an elegant look. And that's it. See you on another video. Thanks for watching.